Okay, imagine this scenario If lang, big if ito, purely academic discussion. What happens if VP Sara suddenly succeeds to the presidency? So under our constitution, ano bang nakasabi? Ang successor ay banned from running for another term if she has served as president for more than 4 years. So kung babalikan natin, ang president ni Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, she became president in 2001. I was 9 years old. Joke lang. Served only 3 years and 5 months before the 2004 elections and was allowed to run for a full term. So apply mo yung rule na yun today. So from November 2025 to May 2028, so Sara would serve less than 4 years. So that means she stays eligible to run for a full 6-year term in 2028. So the math looks like this: 2025 to 2028 as successor, then 2028 to 2034 if she wins her own term. So in short, this is a theoretical scenario that opens the door to almost 8 more years of a Duterte presidency. So yun, academic discussion lang, but the Constitution allows that possibility.